Hello students, how are you?
We are fine, sir.
Take the question.
Sir, please explain us how WH works.
Okay, Amar Kumar. Today I will try my best to explain you that how can we use how WH words according to English grammar and specifically according to passages, comparative passages you can use here. Guys, we use how as a WH word to find out to do anything as a manner, as a method. Because when we do anything, then we perform as a pattern, as a systems. For example, if I give you example that I get married in the board examinations, okay, then media house, social media persons will ask me a question that, sir, how did you get preparations? How did you do this? Then I will tell them a logic, a pattern, a systems, and specifically a method. I will tell them. Okay. So guys, method and manner is the answer of how. For example, I say that Suman gets married. Suman gets married. No, it's not a question. I tell you that Suman goes to school by bus. This is the sentence, by bus. Okay. Guys, Suman is the subject, goes is the MB's first form, and to school, that is a RC, and by bus, this is the manner. This is the manner, and you can say method. Okay. For example, how multiply man verb, answer will be pattern. Answer will be pattern like method. Okay. For example, how means कैसे. Okay, you can say किस प्रकार, किस प्रकार, किस तरह, किस तरह. There are three meanings of Hindi. Okay, so कैसे, MB means जाना. Okay, कैसे जाना, कैसे जाती है. How goes, by bus, by bus, by car, by bike. Do you understand? This is the method, manner, patterns. So guys, always remember one thing. How always wants to find out method to do anything. Is that clear? Okay. Now guys, I write some examples to explain you about how WH words. Okay, with the questions. At the first we require how as a WH, then we require HV, then subject, then MB, then RC, and at the last question mark. Answer format, subject, HV, MB, then RC, and then method. And you can say manner. You can use also manner. And at the last full stops. Do you understand? Okay. My first question, like that. How? So I will use here how. Then HV, here is the goes. Goes means present simple tense. And present simple tense means do Dutch as a helping verb. So I will use here Dutch. Why? Because does is used with the singular subject. And subject is the Suman. Suman means singular subject. So that's why we use here Dutch. Suman is the subject. Then we use MB. M means go. We have to use here go. We can't use here ES. No, we can't use here ES. Why? Because ES is already used here with the helping verb. So we don't use here ES. Is that clear? Then we require RC. RC means to school. To school, and at the last symbol of interrogations. Okay, guys, now answer. At the first we require subject. Subject means Suman. Okay, then we require HV. Here given is the Dutch. So it will change in the positive sentence. It means we will use MB's first form with S and ES. So it will be go like goes. Goes. Okay. Then we require MB. MB is already here confirmed. Okay. Then we require RC. RC means to school. To school. And now we require method. Suman goes to school. Which method? Which method? By bus. We can use here by bus. This is the method. Okay. You can use by car, by bus. I think you understand better. By aeroplane, by truck, we can use. So guys, if you find out the manner, method, then you can use how as a WH words. Is that clear? But guys, remember that how is used at the first place according to question of the format. Sorry, format of the questions. I think you understand better. Am I clear? Am I done? Okay. Guys, if you like this video, then you can share it at social media handles. Thank you so much, guys. All the best.